TikTok has quickly become one of the most powerful platforms for marketing, and if you're a beginner, it's the perfect time to start leveraging it for your brand. In this video, we'll cover the basics of TikTok marketing and share practical tips to help you grow your presence and reach new audiences. The first step in TikTok marketing is to understand the platform. TikTok is all about short-form, engaging video content. The main feed, called the For You page or FYP, is highly personalized, showing videos based on users' interests and engagement. This means even accounts with a small following have the chance to go viral if their content resonates with viewers. Next, focus on creating engaging content. Your videos should be entertaining, informative, or relatable. Use trending sounds, participate in challenges, and keep your videos visually appealing. The first few seconds are crucial to grab attention, so make them count. Don't forget to use hashtags wisely. Trending hashtags can increase visibility, while niche-specific hashtags help you reach your target audience. Consistency is key on TikTok. Posting regularly signals to the algorithm that you're active, which can boost your reach. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, collaborating with other creators, and encouraging interaction. TikTok rewards engagement, so the more your viewers interact, the more likely your videos are to be promoted on the FYP. Finally, track your performance. Switch to a TikTok Pro account to access analytics like video views, follower demographics, and engagement rates. Use this data to understand what works and refine your strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment with new formats, styles, and trends to see what resonates best with your audience. In summary, TikTok marketing for beginners is about understanding the platform, creating engaging content, posting consistently, engaging with your audience, and analyzing your results. With dedication and creativity, you can grow your brand and even go viral. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more social media marketing tips. Have you tried marketing on TikTok yet? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.